Hello. Hello, Baba.
No.
Baba, good evening.
I know they see your face, so
How they call me? I want my light.
I bet quick on the light, man, see the
I
face.
want my light. Baba, they
My
call me. I want my light. I
how
just
about
just
you?
a fit with you. How your side now?
I don't they look say, I don't they say make a look whether people there for this Facebook this thing.
Hey, we just we watch you. We see your good thing. What you dey do? The good things what you dey do.
Now God they do am, not be me, now God.
They say I dey see everything. I dey see everything.
Be,
We dey for Europe for this side. We dey see everything.
okay.
You know, many people they feel say we know they see, and at times go see how it come out, come see what they happen. They do say.
You know the truth, like I just for Instagram, yeah, they there every time, you know. So today, I can't look and say, at least my people there for the Facebook, you know. And for some time, a lot of things they go on for this Facebook. Everybody say, me, I just propose say, I bet make I just there for Instagram, but I can't see I'm saying many people there for one place they try to destroy person and name or things like that. But first of all, if people they swear your name, I beg leave them, they do good. Now good go conquer evil.
Na be the thing now. Na be the thing. You know say that our Nigeria where we dey so. A lot of people, not be people. You na strong legend. No where we dey respect. You na people. You na person wey be say make people happy. You know say myself with my small voice now, sitting there advocate for people. We are still the voice for people for my page and everything. They talk within the happen. You know say somebody like you when they come out with boldness. You know where you from. You know, say that you from doing that from ghetto with boldness. Say the truth. You know they hide.
But you know what I noticed these few days, for this coronavirus, now I notice if you they talk for people always want make you they talk within they favor them.
Well, not true be that.
They no one like they know they like to hear truth. Okay, make I tell you something will happen. When me are there for Europe, I know how many people they die for you every day. Although for our Nigeria owner, they only the right numbers. People know they see what in they happen.
Not true.
You understand? And which is wrong. Which is wrong because you go see people. You know they make Nigerians know they believe this coronavirus. They never see somebody die for their front. They never see somebody fall for their front.
And I be the thing. You know what?
They only see numbers.
Now one thing again where I observe, one thing again where I observe, you know, say we know they tell ourselves truth. We Nigerians, you know, division. This our ethnic division don't too much. They disturb us. They disturb our brain without no even they know anything. And our mindset don't there for money without even knowledge.
No. Make I tell you, after this coronavirus, if we not take time, come together, resolve the problem ready for Nigeria not going to exist again.
You know, I know, because you know why people just come out, some people will do the fight. You know, I believe in one, my activism say, I believe in one Nigeria, I believe in one Africa, I believe in one black movement.
See, make I tell you something, it don't be like something will happen during this coronavirus time. When I come out, I vex through because of the way people rush go bank after they open bank. They don't maintain social distancing. I vex because of the love when I get for people. I know vex we say, first of all, I can't see reason why many celebrities know they put mouth for waiting concern people. Because if they put mouth, at the end of the day, if the problem comes, the people go leave them, go abandon them for Riverside. But me, when I did, I say, I don't risk my career, I don't risk my head for people. These same people, but you know what you come sweet me pass. The people where they try to destroy my name. Not be Nigerian people. Nigerian people, then say the Nigerian people as a country, then say, yes, true. Waiting Shoki they talk not true, but maybe in annoyance, and everybody get try to verse to talk.
So verse, and
you can't realize maybe the way you talk, I'm no good. You say I'm sorry, but the people where they try to bring me down, They destroy my name. Now from Ajegule.
You know, Baba, one thing, may I let you know one thing? What did the warriors, as I talked before, what did they worry our youth, most especially? We will be 180 million for Africa, 180 million, close to 200 million. We know they would count Europe. We pass now. I know. What? Wait, to make this just very simple. Police, what is police? Our police, we know say we get police brutality, but police will control 100 people. Police will control 2,000 people. But police don't control 1 million people. Why they say Lagos? Why they say Lagos, Edo, Delta, Enugu, Imo? Why they say those people, those youth from those sides, no fit come out 100-fold, go Eagle Square for Abuja, go Aso Rock, protest, say enough is enough. Why are we afraid? Why we they afraid?
My brother, let me tell you why they are afraid. You see, we there for democracy, but we dey practice tribalcracy.
Yeah, I know. Now that be our problem. Our most problem that be that.
Now tribalcracy, no be democracy. Now tribalcracy we dey practice for our country. And one, we believe say illegality na good thing. There's no system where it can work where there is no law.
That is the fact.
And there's no system. See, many of una when they Europe, they see the law where people do, the way they favor them, the way they favor the country and the citizens. But we come for a country where like say somebody go carry thug, bully people. If you enter power, you know say no be you put up for that power and bully in carry and enter there. How you go add with that person? They care. You go care about.
You know why I feel like that. May I just make this sentence? The problem we get is say if you go back to Agu Ironsi time, if you go back to Agu Ironsi time, now there our problem starts because Igbo man no want agree say he chop, Yoruba man no want agree say he chop, Hausa man no want agree say he chop. If just one of those side people they rule, problem was there. Why we say this one they rule, this one will say this one I dey carry my money they go this side, this one they rule, this one will say carry them my money they go that side. And our problem not be even the top. Our problem now from our local communities.
Yes.
Some of our local leaders, our local government chairman and our councillors, they know they exist. But the people they vote there, but our people don't really they look that side. They know they look that side. If something happen for community now, like for example, anything happen for community, those people know they come out, gonna show their face. After your local government chairman where they rule you. Me, I grew up for Ojo. I grew up from Ajangbadi. I grew up for Ojo. I grew up for Ojo. From Ajangbadi votes, I grew up for that side. Some of our local government from that side, our local government chairman, you're not gonna stay that side, you're gonna stay VI. You don't understand so. You know go there that side. You go be maybe I'm one of the local government chairman or Ojo local government chairman. You know go there that side, you go there VI. How that kind of thing go to work? You don't know what they happen for your constituency. If your local government, your councillor, no, they do well.
You see. Sorry, make I tell you one word. I want to talk one word before I let you go. You see, the problem of Nigeria and a state of origin.
That's what we need to cancel that.
They need to cancel state of origin because make I tell you what that one. State of origin. There will never be one Nigeria where there is state of origin.
Because I say, where are you from?
You see, let me tell you, I was born and brought up in Ajegule. I live in Ajegule. And they don't carry me come Ajegule, they born me for Ajegule. My papa go school for Ajegule. You understand me? My mother, then born my mother say for Lagos Island, and they born my mama. You understand me? So now, today, we grow up for Ajegule where all of us they live like one family. We don't know whether it be Hausa, we don't know whether it be Igbo, we don't know whether it be Yoruba. You understand? Today, tribalcracy You see the problem of Nigeria. Now these three major languages: Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba.
Igbo, Yoruba. We need to cancel that Wazobia. We need to cancel Wazobia.
See, and make I tell you the truth. We go make Nigeria work. Let people a merit position. People a merit position. Quota rotation, no problem. People, if this boy qualify today for this position, put them and make we go back to vocational education. Where people from school, from primary school, people will learn how to be independent of government.
Of government. May I read through light for what you talk just now? May I throw light? May I just run through light? If to cancel those, to be able to achieve what you just talk, so say under merit, more put under merit. Under merit for Nigeria. You know why under merit not there? You know why under merit not there? The strong part where the strong team will make under merit not there now because of autism. Most of our leaders, our great leaders, all those people, they are
all. Somebody talk one word, say Nigeria is a fraud. You, everybody that
fraud.
Nigeria,
fraud.
You always think of cheating your fellow man. You always think if you are in abroad, you work and come and give your brother that you want to establish a business in Nigeria. Your brother will first of all use that money to enrich himself. Go and
enrich his pocket.
He will give somebody money to be building house for you in Nigeria. He will be building his own house, sending you another man's house picture. So you will know the sense. So this thing has been transferred from generation to generation.
Baba, make I tell this guy will say Nigerian are fraudulent. You never bribe police once. As long as you don't bribe police once as a Nigerian, you are corrupt as a whole, as a Nigerian. As far as you don't bribe or you don't take person which not belongs to you, you are corrupt. Those things we need to control those things right from our grassroots. That be the best thing. That the main thing we need to do for that Nigeria. We need to control our youth to bring up
my brother. Sorry to cut you. He get one thing where we they forward they call do good movement. You cannot defeat evil with evil. You defeat evil with good. If a set of Nigerians start doing good, ignore the people that are doing bad will be forced to do good.
To follow.
To follow. I will tell you the truth. If Nigeria break into three, the bad people will be in the east, in the west, in the south, in the north.
Not the same thing.
Because these bad people are in your tribe, in my tribe, in my tribe.
Not true.
You cannot, and I will tell you that Nigeria will be worse than Libya.
Not true, Baba. Baba, me I don't pay the tell. We know the me they as they talk before they advocate for one Africa, one black movement, one Nigerian. Say if you tell Igbo man now say this what you're doing is not good, your agitation is this. He go tell say, no, our supreme leader, no, chill, not be like that.
They have been brainwashed. Hey, tickle me. Give my son, hey, Alexito, Baba, Alexito. My brother, no best, no best.
No problem. Hey, Baba,
finish first.
Okay, what you have they try talk? And they say, if good. You see, best way you they support never can rule you in a local level. Never can rule you in your constituency. You never even know who he be. You never know whether he go feel rule you where. You call out your leader. Once you allow that person enter that place, how you go be?
My brother, I no cut you. I talked this word some days ago. I tell people say when we they talk, make we know what we they talk. I say if you take war, get position. If you know say that time where you there for there, when I go start to the fight, say this man no good, but the time when they tell you, I say this person I want put for position. What it be in him, you know in mind, you know in heart, you know in intention.
You don't know who he be.
I beg, no shaking. Make I talk to other people here, my brother. Yeah.
You do well, Baba. It's nice chatting with you.
Thank you, my dear. God bless you. So I beg you, I see one of my